Hey, it's Chris with Rowe Dental Laboratory, and today we're going to discuss duplicating dentures using our 3D printed process. So it's very basic records we need. You have a patient that loves their denture, loves the wear of it, and maybe we just want to get it to fit a little better. So you can do a quick little reline, and then we just need a 360-degree scan of that denture. Give us the opposing, give us a bite, and we can do an exact duplicate for you. Now, if you want to make some improvements to the teeth, we can do that as well because it's a 3D printed process. It's a digital design process. We can make the teeth look like anything you want. In fact, if you want some fangs, because it's Halloween and they want a special duplicate denture but add some fangs, we can do that, as you can see here. So it's pretty wild. We get some requests that are out of this world, but we can do that because of our 3D printed process and our digital design process. So again, duplicating dentures, we can do exact duplicates. We can make some customization to the teeth, just idealize the teeth, or we can do some fangs. Any questions, give us a call here at the lab. Comments, leave them in this section below and we'll get right back to you. And of course, please subscribe to our socials. Thank you.